Cynthia from Linbay Machinery. China is in summer day now. It's very hot in the factory, so I have already have a new hairstyle. Now today I'd like to introduce our CD profile roll forming machine. This machine is used for 3mm thickness. Let's have a look to see more details of this machine. Let's go. The roll forming production line normally includes the decoiler, the roll forming machine part. Here we can see the complete roll forming machine part and the out tables. The decoiler is to put the steel coil. Now we are standing at the side of the roll forming machine. I will take more time to introduce the roll forming machine part. Here is the guiding part. You can put different coil width inside of the machine. And after that, we will go into the leveling part, the leveling rollers. This machine will produce 2mm thickness and 3mm thickness. So it's very important to have the leveling part to make the steel coil strip more plate. Then go into the punch part. This is the punch system. This machine, we have lots of punch holes with different size and shape. Now we have totally here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 punch stands. All the structure is 4-column structure. This is more flexible for the punch. After the punch part, we go into the roll forming machine part. This machine can make the change of size automatic. From this year, we use the reducers as a transmission part instead of the bevel gears. It can produce a higher precision for the size, and also it has a longer resistance and a longer working life. You can see all the structures here are made by cast iron stands. They are a complete piece, not sawed, welded by the pieces. It is also very resistant, and it has a good performance when the machine working, producing the profile. This machine can produce profile C and Z. Now our engineer will show you how to change rollers from C to Z. 开始啊 Pull out the hand wheel and turn 180 degrees. 2 set of rollers. Okay, that's all. Then we will see what will do the rollers difference. We'll focus on this roller. Now the roller is back to the C profile shape. Okay, that's all.